What's up, YouTube? Today I'll be making a bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich on a Thomas English muffin. So this is what I'll be using. That's my bacon. That's the muffins. That's the egg. That's the cheese. We have American sharp. And what's this cheese again? Oh, provolone. I wasn't sure if that was Swiss. Provolone. Okay. Cool. Let's get started. All right, today we're gonna use 3 strips of bacon, only because I usually use 4, but English muffin is smaller than like a bagel or a slice of bread, so I don't think we need that much bacon. All right, while that's going, I went ahead and put in my English muffin in the toaster oven just to get that out the way. English muffins take a little longer to toast than, let's say, a slice of bread, so get that going. I'm gonna do the egg last. Let's take a quick peek at the bacon. All right, about another, it's been in there for about 2 minutes, about another 5 minutes, I guess. All right, the English muffin is done to my liking. So I'll go ahead and turn that off and let that sit there. I'm gonna make my egg right now. I'm gonna make this egg sorta over easy. I don't like my eggs over easy at all, but I'm just gonna do it like this for this video. Bacon looks about done. Let that sit for a little bit. I'll turn off my George Foreman. Let that ride for a little bit. Put a little butter on the English muffin, not too much. Put American cheese and sharp cheese on, one of each on each side of the English muffin. Bacon is done. So we're gonna get one on there. Then we'll put the egg on. All right, spread out 3 pieces. Let's go ahead and apply our egg. Two pieces of provolone. All right, topped it off with 3 strips of bacon. Take a bite, y'all. I'm gonna put this in my toaster oven just for a little bit, so get the cheese melted. I put it in there with the plate, just so no drippage. Cause I won't have it in there for longer than a minute anyway. I have it on for about another 30 seconds. Then we should be good. All right, this is it, guys. Look at that. Ta. McDonald's, eat your heart out. All right, I'm gonna take a bite out of it and show you the insides of this goodness. Of course, this is not a healthy sandwich, guys, but admit it, you love it. All right, just cleaned off my detachable George Foreman plates, so they're all good and clean for the next use. Let's go ahead and get ready to take a bite out of this sandwich. Let's go ahead and take it up. Take a closer look at it. Have it upside down. Let's try it. Pretty good. As you know, this is very, very cheesy. Let's try another bite. Yeah, this is an awesome sandwich, guys. Awesome, 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 awesome. Anyway, thanks for looking at my video, guys. This is my bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich on the English muffin. Hit like if you like it, if it looked good to you. Remember to subscribe to my channel. And if anything, thanks for just looking at my video.